Government is serious on managing COVID-19. We have got a very good team here sitting here, and they are doing their best in seeing that we are able to manage the people well. There have been a lot of good reviews. We have also come across a lot of criticism initially, but then later on we have come across good reviews also of people who have got excellent treatment. All the institutions give good treatment. Whether it is the private also is doing well, government also is doing well. We have nobody has any complaint as we speak, but then we must be ready for this new strain. We must be ready also for what is happening in the state. In the state, when you look, people share photographs. I am not saying don't go to the beach and all. What we are saying is enjoy the beach, but maintain social distancing. And तुम्ही फाल्या म्हणतले सरकाराचे काम ते. सरकार कितले म्हणून करतले? If you want any SOP to work, it has to be the people who help in making the SOPs work. Only then we will be able to implement the SOPs. SOPs are in place. Constantly, even Prime Minister has been saying social distancing. When you pick up the phone, you say that mask and social distancing is the voice that you hear first. That if the people do not follow that, I'm sorry, there will be a spike, and this spike will be uncontrollable. This is how I look at it. As a result, it is up to us citizens to ensure that this mask, social distancing and several other things, and coming and reporting cases in time will help us work more efficiently and much better. I have only this much to say for now. And we have also mentioned to you about the details of the UK citizens and people who are coming to the state of Goa. What is the testing norm, and what we have decided is that these patients who are there, they will be there in the ESI hospital till all the results come. And once they go home, they'll have to comply with the 17-day home isolation. Again, there is a lot of pressure coming that we should leave them before home isolation or before the report comes. That will not happen. Any amount of pressure that is put on the system will not work. I have told Secretary, even if I call the doctor, he should not listen to me if there is a violation of the SOP that is there in place. There is no question of any minister calling or any member of assembly calling to tell that he is known to me, you leave him, then nobody will be left. They have to stay there. They have to follow the SOPs. I have told Dr. Utkarsh and Dr. Vishwajit Fardesai, Dr. Uday Kakodkar, in presence of Secretary and the expert committee, even if I phone should not be accepted. If any phone call comes for violation of the SOP should not be accepted, the onus is on them, all three, to see that this is implemented. Faल्या UK strain घेऊन कोण आयलो and फाल्या गोंयान पसरले, then who is responsible? As a result, it is always better to be more cautious in the beginning than regret later on about the steps that we did not take.